Let's kick it off, C4. Let's get it. What's up, everyone? What's up? I'm Dezbee McDaniel. I'm co-founder and CEO of Clinispan Health, an influencer matching platform for clinical research diversity. The problem that we are solving is that the U.S. is made up of 40% people of color, but the rate of inclusion is as little as 2, up to only 16%. The dire implications of that is that most of us in this room would take in proper dosage amounts, see inadvertent side effects, and actually end up in worse health states as a result of taking most drugs. But what we really found at its core is that people that look like me have lost trust in healthcare providers and doctors from past mistreatments in healthcare. Like my Aunt Sherry. She happened to have breast cancer. She did thankfully beat it. But in her post-chemo experience, she always saw the rare side effects of drugs, even when doctors assured her she would not. We had to leverage our relationship and influence on her as a family to encourage her to do research and find that there were not enough women, particularly black women, present in the trials. This is why I and my team really care to solve this problem so that the Aunt Sherrys of the world do not have negative experiences with clinical trials. So that's why we built our solution, an AI-driven influencer matching platform. Our influencer matching algorithm will take clinical trial specifications, platforms they want to reach people like Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. They also will take their patient target, the age range, the gender, and the racial ethnic background, and we can match them to the top black and brown influencers that they should work with across social media. They're pushing out content and access to clinical trials that are on the clinical platform. The way that our business model works, we're paid monthly fees at the rate that you see here to refer and enroll people into studies. When someone passes an initial pre-screen of questions, they can share their contact information. And then when they sign informed consent documents, they're officially enrolled into the study. This is a huge market, $9 billion, growing at 8% compound annual growth rate. We really see this as a huge opportunity right now because the FDA is putting out mandates for diversity in clinical trials. All clinical trials require diversity plans beginning back in 2022, and that's never been true before. So all of these companies are scrambling to solve this problem because they simply have to. We have great customer relationships. We're working with top 20 pharma sponsors like CSL and Merck. We have over $2.5 million in our sales pipeline for 2024 and 2025, and we're projected to actualize $800,000 to $1 million of revenue for 2024. One of our case studies with our top 20 pharma sponsor, CSL, they were looking for 500 African-American patients in 3 months. We did it in just 2 weeks. We did it 6 times faster than they expected and at 46% reduced cost per participant. We moved faster and more cost efficiently. What more can you ask for? Traction. Let's talk about traction. So during the program, we put out our version 2 of our product, going post-MVP. We crossed the threshold of 10,000 influencers across the US and Canada. And more importantly, we grew our revenue 200% and crossed 1.5 million total revenue for the life of our business. And our amazing team is why we're able to accomplish this and what's coming. We have led startups from 0 to 1 million in revenue. We have been a principal investigator on over 100+ clinical trials. We meet perfectly at the intersection of technology, marketing, and clinical research, and our advisors only make us stronger. We have advisors working in product from the likes of Twitter X. We have marketing executives from MTV, and we have customers as advisors helping us with a strong and efficient go-to-market approach. We're asking for $1 million in our pre-seed round. We have 2 focuses with this capital. Number 1, we want to hire talented engineers, ideally in Tulsa, and we want to build out the AI and machine learning components of our technology. Secondly, we want to build our relationships with more top 20 pharma sponsors. We have great relationships with the 2 we work with, and we want to grow that number quickly. If you see Clinispan Health as the amazing investment opportunity that I'm biased to see it as, please reach out to us at the information you see here, and thank y'all for being here with C4.